culture, and our breathtaking topography are unmatched. It is gratifying to see millions of patriotic Kenyans work hard every day, waking up early, sleeping late, to make a honest living, eat from the sweat of their brow, and build the country that they call home. While it is true that formidable challenges confront us today, it is also true that we always find a way to surmount obstacles and protect our country and its people from the shocks of the modern world. Where a tiny number among us has tainted our country's image, the same has been repudiated by the exploits of millions of honest and patriotic, focused Kenyans who love this nation enough to protect it from the risks on its survival. Indeed, Kenya is a covenant country, blessed with an industrious people and an incredible array of natural resources requisite for the creation of wealth enough for all its people. We remain eternally grateful to the heroes and heroines who have ensured Kenya remains the blessed nation that it is. As we reflect on our challenges, let us capitalize on the jolting of these challenges to right